Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Kalire frame at home. Start by gathering all your necessary items for this beautiful project. You'll need a sturdy frame, your cherished Kalire, and a reliable, strong adhesive. Consider an 8 by 10 inch frame for a balanced display. Make sure your Kalire are perfectly clean and dry. This ensures a strong, lasting bond. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Next, prepare your frame by cleaning its surface meticulously. This step is crucial for proper adhesion. Lay out your Kalire on a flat surface to experiment with different arrangements and find your perfect design. You might also want to add a beautiful backing material, like a piece of velvet or silk, to enhance the visual appeal and create a stunning backdrop for your Kalire. Now for the exciting part. Assembly. Apply a small, precise amount of strong adhesive to the back of each Kalire. Gently press each piece onto your prepared frame, carefully following the design you envisioned earlier. Take your time to ensure each Kalire is perfectly placed. Once all pieces are attached, allow at least 24 hours for the adhesive to fully cure, ensuring a durable and long-lasting display. To complete your masterpiece, consider adding some elegant finishing touches. Small pearls, delicate ribbons, or even a personalized tag can elevate the frame's aesthetic. Attach a sturdy hanging mechanism to the back, ensuring it's ready for display. Finally, choose a special spot in your home, perhaps on a living room wall or a bedroom dresser, to proudly showcase your beautiful, handmade Kalire frame and the memories it holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.